Next slide. Yes, this is about the profile, company profile. You know all that we are a 20 years old company, MSME company, Make in India, Atmanirbhar company. And we are placed in Theni, which is close to Madurai. Prominent place is Madurai. It is 1 hour from Madurai. 1 hour from Madurai, our place. We've got a very strong global presence, over 20 countries, across 6 continents. And we have backup team of 102 staffs working for us. And we have 700 plus product and services. That is our main backup. And we are one of the JTT bronze certified company. Only some 70 companies are certified company in India. We are one among them. And very privileged to say that we are next slide, yeah. So we play into 700 plus 7 plus engineering domains and 700 plus products and 70 plus industries. We are into every industry literally. And so far we have given more than 7,000 plus solutions to the industry. As you can see, friends, here we are the only, rather one of the 2-3 companies who are registered under the national database of under Grade C. And we are also an affiliate member of CIDC family. Yes, we are the only member of the CIDC family. As I told you earlier, out of 77 companies registered pan India, we are the one of the bronze certificate company registered under Well, these are board of directors. Ramesh Kani and myself, Sheetal Ramesh, my wife, and Surya Ramesh is my son. So it is totally a family-run company. All the 3 of us are inducted into the board of directors, and it's a purely a family-run company. Next slide, please. This organization chart, roughly under me, we are taking the front-end side, field sales and service. And my wife, partner, she's taking care of manufacturing, technical side, and administration side. Next slide, please. As I told you, this is a truly industry for all industries. We have listed somewhere around 155 kind of industries here, and we are into every one of them. So steel, fertilizer, we are into every industry. This is an industry for all industry. Simply because our industry is like a doctors, industrial doctors for every kind of problems which industry is facing. So it could be mechanical problem, civil problem, or fire and safety, or electrical problem, electronics problem, instrumentation problem. We have a solutions for all the problems. We have solutions for all the problems. This is, you can see, it looks like who is who kind of thing. Electricity, oil and gas, all the top-notch companies are with us already. So this one of the very proud moment that I can say that all the top-notch companies are with us. And friends, as I told you, we are exporting more than 25 countries across six continents. So Africa, Asia, everywhere we are exporting, and every month we are increasing at least 2 countries in our list. These are main product range, my MRO, maintenance, repair and overhauling. Here we are almost having nil competition, I can say. So on the coming slides, you will see what is the range we are having for metal repair. We are having an MRO. Here's the metal repair composites, where the lost metal is rebuilt just like a metal paste. It is in the paste form, and it becomes like a metal. So you can rebuild any lost metal, anything under imagination, the heat exchanger pump, anything you want to rebuild, you can rebuild. It will perform as good as a new equipment. And the next one comes under pump efficiency improvement coating. Generally pump efficiency is about 67%. Here you can increase the pump efficiency of the pump somewhere about 7% in new pumps and up to 20% in old pumps. And by increasing efficiency, your return on investment is just in within 14-15 days you get your money back because of the huge energy savings. This is a pipe repair kit where the original wall thickness is getting reduced. Here we do the centering of the pipelines. So once we do the centering of the pipeline, we give the design life of 15 years for the pipeline. This is about metal epoxy sticks to seal the active leakages of the any active leakages up to 100 degrees Celsius and 1100 psi. Any leakages like gas, water, oil, chemical, anything you can seal online. These are epoxy syringes just to fix the blowhole effects, casting effects. It is just like a syringe. You can just to push the material. It will go. Yes, we have a aerosol cans. I'm very sorry about very poor internet connection is there because of I'm staying in. As I told you, I'm now getting linked to you from Mysore, where some network connection is very poor. And I've come here for Baba Atomic Research Center visit, and it has been very good visit. I'm talking about coming back to the CCT presentation. Mechanical aerosol cans. We have all the aerosol cans for rust removing, belt dressing, or loosening of or any belt getting any pulley in the belt, it's getting loosened. We are having product called belt dressing. We are having gasket remover, paint remover, everything that can fix up. We've got anti-corrosion coating, cold galvanizing coating. We've got a pen oil. This is for any jammed nuts and bolts. Pen oil is used. We have lubricants for wires and chains and all that. Next one. Same way for electrical, we have very wide range where the polyurethane foam sealant that is to seal the all the gaps it is used, and acrylic conformal coating to or the electronic cords, very costly cords that is used to seal all the cords, electrical very costly cords. And coming back to moisture displacer, water is a big enemy for the electrical thing, and with that moisture displacer you can displace the moisture. Finally, about battery terminal coating, it can take care of acid sulfation of the positive terminals and negative terminals. That prevents the acid sulfation formation. And finally, and coming about anti-tracking, it avoids the tracking of the anti-tracking. It avoids the tracking. Safety 7, it is used to clean the online. Certain voltage, it will clean the circuit boards up to online also. Next one. This is an emergency maintenance kit. The concept is like this. Any important application-oriented concept. So for example, for transformer meeting, for conveyor belt application, it stuffed into important material. So the kit is carried to the site and they fix the problem. Here the transformer oil leakage is there. This transformer kit is used for fix the transformer oil leakage, online leakage. With the repair on the any hole through hole, edge damage, all this repair can be done with the conveyor belt kit. Next one. So wear protection solution. This is really very good for anti-wear. Due to the erosion and corrosion, like intrudes and hoppers of the cold thermal plant or steel plant, due to the center plant, where the corrosion, wear and tear is a big problem. We give a very good wear protection solution, which is wire mesh and all that. We give some 20 mm coating, 20 mm thick coating. It gives a very good life protection for the wear blades. And we have started with this product only, Crystal Baking Common. This was the first product when we started Monarch, number 1. Today we are having 700 products, but this was the first product. And all the OEMs, 7 OEMs are there, Metso, Sandvik, and Exxon, Terex. All the people are with us. We are the first. We are the only OEMs of in India. coming back to metal stitching, we do all the cast iron, mild steel. We do the metal stitching also, where it's a very difficult to weld area. We do the metal stitching. Different of stitching we do with the metals. And this is for about online leak sealing. Very high pressure and high temperature leakage, up to 500 degrees Celsius and 5000 psi. We make this kind of flanges and we inject the components. We inject the compound. So this is our second range of product called construction chemicals. Construction chemical is related to civil maintenance, infrastructure and civil maintenance. Next slide. So we are into liquid membrane waterproofing. Before this slide, it has got liquid membrane waterproofing, and we are into crystalline waterproofing. So with the combination of crystalline waterproofing and liquid membrane waterproofing, we can stand guarantee for up to 15 years of life. 15 up to 15 years, we stand guarantee for that. This is liquid membrane waterproofing. In the combination of crystalline and liquid, we stand guarantee for 15 years. Once the coating is given, up to 15 years, there is no problem of water leakage. This is about waterproofing membrane, APP waterproofing membrane and wrapping tapes. We do this also. And this is one of the fantastic product we have, heat free coating. It saves as good as 7 degrees Celsius in the concrete building, and metal building it saves up to 15 degree reduction of the temperature. And not what is more is energy saving too. It saves up to 10 kV per 1000 square feet, and it saves about 95% of sunlight. It reflects up to 95% of sunlight, and again it saves up to energy efficiency of up to 3 kV per hour. The solar reflective index is 113, which is one of the highest in the industry. This is joint sealant, excuse me, for the construction joint, expansion joint. We use all these polysulfate sealant, acrylic sealants, polyurethane sealant, silicone sealant, everything we use is to accommodate the expansion and contraction of the concrete. It's all flooring problems, any kind of flooring problems, right from the small repair like this, patchwork, up to the coating like this, epoxy coating, polyurethane coating, chemical spillages, interior, exterior. We have a solution for every kind of flooring problem. Yes, this is EST coating, electrostatic dissipative coating. The flooring, as you can feel now, in front of a computer, if you feel your computer, you feel the static charges. They are very dangerous. The static charges are conducted through the EST coating. So its conductive range is 3.10 to the power 3 to 10 to the power 5. Dissipative range is 10 to the power 6 to 9. Within 15 seconds, the static charges are conducted through the coating, to the earthing. Next one. These are certificates you have collected. This is this is about the panels, panels. Those days are gone where the rubber mat is placed. Here is a very innovative coating we are giving. With this, we can cover even Class A insulation, Class B insulation, both LT and HT both. You get up to 33 kV per mm insulation. This is liquid polished concrete, where the concrete itself is polished. So it becomes an integral part of the concrete. There is no separate membrane kind of thing. The polish itself is the concrete itself is become polished. You get such a beautiful look like this. People go for warehouses kind of thing. You get a 80 degree glass angle here. and this is what you get the finish. This is surface treatment for the hardening of the floor. For the metallic floor hardeners, non-metallic both, you can broadcast the hardeners. This is same non-metallic. This for metallic. We can broadcast the hardener, and you get the up to 4 mm, 3 mm. You get a thickness, and it is very hardened floor. You get traffic safety improvement coating, where in the monsoon times the roads are the patchworks are there in the roads. You can fill it up during even wet surfaces also, and you can patch up this. This one is reflected in the night. This is photoluminescent mark. It absorbs the rays during the day and emits in the night. Finally, repair work, that is retrofitting work. So we do a lot of retrofitting work where the aged buildings like this, where the bar is exposed. We do the complete retrofitting, even the industrial side also, and residential side also. We do complete retrofitting, and we give the guarantee for 30 years. Next one. We are into injection grouting and foundation grouting to seal the vibrations. So foundation grouting to seal the vibration, and this is for the sealing the active water leakage, foam based polyurethane foam based sealants. Up to even underwater also this can seal. Coming to tile grouts and anchors. This is anchors, and this one is for the tile bedding mortar, and this is for the grouts. These were the grouts. The tiles also we are doing all these of grouts and bedding mortars. Coming to the protective coating, the last part of the range. We have a complete range of coatings, protective coating for structural beams and columns. Number one is anti-corrosion coating. So from corrosion level to 1 to corrosion level to 5, we have all the range. So interior, exterior, again epoxy based, polyurethane based, aliphatic based, high temperature based. We have all the range of coating in working on all the chemistry, and this one works very perfectly for the exterior surface as well as for the interior surface. And coming back to polyurea coating, polyurea coating is a very good abrasion resistant material. It sets within 3 seconds. So this is it sets within 3 to 5 seconds. We spray into the interior surface of tanks, the areas where the abrasion resistances are required. High temperature coating, here it will work up to from 200 degrees Celsius to 700 degrees Celsius. We do chimneys especially mainly, outside chimneys, and inside of the chimneys also we do. And this works very beautifully up to 3 to 5 years. This is the previous one. What you have seen is you need offline. You got to check shutdown. Here in offline also, without any shutdown also, when the chimney is charged condition also, you can just do the coating. This is aluminum spray coating. This is again one of the wonderful products. Again, a very conventional method is doing a rock wool insulation, 50 mm rock wool insulation. That is replaced just with a mere 2 mm coating, where before coating you can see 450 degrees Celsius, and after coating the temperature you can bring the temperature up to 59 degrees Celsius. So there is a kind of insulation effect you have just with the 2 mm coating. Also you can avoid the CUA concept. That is corrosion under insulation. This also can be avoided with this kind of coatings, thermal insulation coatings. This is one of the again wonderful product in the range, fire retardant coating, where you save the people from the fire. You save the people, you save your assets from the fire. Generally, due to the short circuits in cables, a lot of fire accident takes place in the buildings, So these fires can be avoided. There are basically two kind of fires. One is active fire protection, other one is passive fire protection. For active fire protection, like fire extinguisher, fire hydrants, and all, that react to the fire. Whereas in this case, fire itself will not take place. It will self extinguish. So we have a fire retardant coating for the cables as well as for the steels. Where up to 2 hours you can retard the fire. This is high voltage insulation coating. So these coatings are again to coat over the insulators like the porcelain insulators, ceramic insulators, and glass insulators. Where due to the dust settlement, some kind of arcing flashover takes place. And here we have a very wonderful coating. With this, there is no dust settlement. So one can maintain for 15 years without any problem. They can maintain. And this is we are talking about dust suppression systems, where just by the in the dust generally the water sprinklers are used to suppress the dust. So there will be a lot of wastage of water, because water releases 80% of dust particles, whereas in our case only 20% of dust particles only release. So there is we got a very huge potential of saving the water, and there is no dust pollution also. This is super hydrophobic coating, where it triples everything. It we do this kind of rubber lining services also we do inside the vessel, tanks, pipelines, and all for acidic environment. For retail, we have this coating for retail, multicolor walls, home decor. This multicolor walls is what this is to replace your granite and marble. It's a very innovative concept where you can replace the granite and marble with a multicolor wall. Just with a simple 3-coat, you can replace this granite. You get the texture like this. You don't have to put granite and marble where the you just load your walls. You are getting to the loading. Next one. 3D flooring coating. So this 3D flooring coatings, again we got all the designs. It is in the link, all the designs. With this design, you can do any kind of flooring coating on your restrooms, living hall, any place where you want to elevate your image of the floor, you can do it. Next. This is again another idea to elevate your image of the floor. Metallic floor coatings. You get various designs, you get a coating to elevate your floor coating image. This is a color flex coating where the color flex are available in the certain designs. You just broadcast the color flex and you get the epoxy coating on the top of it. This is again another kind of elevating your image, floor image. And this designer floor coating. It gives a very beautiful designs. You give like this kind of finish, chessboard kind of finish. Again, your architect will help you to give a good design to you. With this, again, your floor coating, your floor image is getting elevated in your house, residence. This is one of the fantastic kind of artistic epoxy flooring. Whatever art you do in the walls and this thing, with the same wall, same image in your floor. So we got a very great work of applicators we have. So with whatever your architect is giving the design, you can bring into the floors. The neighbor will definitely envy you. Floor coating emulsion. This is a general common product. The emulsion for the car parking area and all, we give the emulsion over the block area. This kind of blocks area, we give the image coating. This is for your loved ones, for your loved people, aged people in your home. It could be your mother and father. It could be your son-in-law, father-in-law, mother-in-law. But for aged people, generally they get slip and fall accident they face in the bathroom area and even in the home area also. So without changing the design structure texture of the product. Due to the nanotechnology, we give the coating, it will give a slippery surface. Same time, it will not change the design of the surface. The texture will be same only. This we have already seen liquid polish concrete. Next slide, please. And this kind of tabletop decorative resin also we can do. We can do this kind of castings. We do for 72 inch, 3 inch. We do the casting like this. And with this casting, your table can be decorated, and it will be a kind of wonderful coating, wonderful casting rather. It's a acrylic spray decorative coating just to fix your colors. The retail we have already seen the home decor. This is for construction line, small leakages you can do. You can skip this. Probably you can skip this. Shade presenter, you can skip this, all that coatings. And coming to retail again, as I told you earlier, we discussed about home decor. Then we discussed about construction. Now we are discussing about hardware. So these are the hardware we are having again the very wide range. This also we have seen in detail already. So this hardware also we have very wide range, the retail hardware also. So we can give a wonderful product in retail hardware also. So with this, friends, we are coming to end about our product range. Now, if our CSR, Mr. Vijay sir, will take this over to Vijay sir to discuss about your investment, how secure your investment, and what is the returns will be. Mr. Vijay sir, thank you. Thank you.
Yes, sir. Thank you. Thank you. So, good evening, everyone. So basically, I'm a company secretary. So here I'm engaged for the purpose of giving a overview of how the process of investment will it be, and what is the procedure aspects, legal aspects, and what is that you get and what is the company will do. So I'll give a overview of those things. So if you could just change the slide. Yeah. So this is the practical procedure, like what is there in the corporate laws for the purpose of raising any kind of funding. So here there are multiple instruments for raising a funding. So what we are considering here is what we call as a convertible debenture. Okay, so we are issuing a type of instrument which is called a compulsorily convertible debenture. So for this purpose, there is a valuation exercise which is done. So which the value of the shares are determined. So you will get an idea once you get this debenture, how much shares it will be converted into. When you are like, I'll just tell you the process. I'm just giving you an idea as of now. Then there are internal steps like we get it approved from the board of directors, shareholders. We collect the money, we put it in a specified bank account. For even collecting the money, before that you will get a proper offer letter with all the like financials of the company, what are the current status, like you will get a complete overview of what is the investment, the percentage what you are putting, how much is the percentage will it be showing on the company's books. So all this procedural aspects we will be taking care, and we'll be intimating all these aspects to the regulator first, and then only we'll get a go ahead for receiving the money into the company, into that separate bank account which you have created. Okay, so at the end of it, what you will get is like a share certificate. You will get here a CCD certificate, which is the proof of your investment, what is there in the company. Yeah, if you could just change the slide, sir. Yeah. So see, because ours is a private limited company, we cannot like go to public and raise funds. We have a limitation that like this we can actually do a meeting with people not more than 200. So maximum 200% in a financial year is what we can actually raise the money. So with that basis only we are doing this process. So just like any other investments, like this should actually happen only through the proper channel, which is the through the bank account, which is like along with your KYC and everything, it should be properly established. And once you read the offer document and do the investments and all those things, you will get a CCD certificate. Okay. As I already told you, these are compulsorily convertible debenture. So here, the idea is we are giving this debenture for a term of 5 years, but in between, if the company gets an something like a big investor is ready to acquire the company, or if we are coming out with the initial public offer, so if any of those things are happening, then immediate at that event, which we call as an exit event, your CCD will be immediately converted into equity shares and it will be sold as a part of the IPO so that you can actually realize money out of it. Okay, so as of now, what you are holding will be also getting a separate coupon, what we call for CCD, which is nothing but just like you get your interest for your fixed deposit. Okay, see, one I told you during the exit event, you can actually automatically company will help you to anytime, even if exit event, that is IPO, if it happens in 2 years also, like anytime, because though the term of the instrument is 5 years, but for if these are the exceptions to it. So if that exit event or anything happens, immediately that time your CCD will be converted into equity and you will have an option to put it as a part of IPO. Either you can realize the money or you can continue to invest in the so-called listed company it will become. So both the options are available with the investor. In case those events are not happening within that time, then company can actually come with an offer for buyback of the CCDs, or even promoters can give you a offer to transfer that instrument so that you can actually get your money back as a consideration. So these are the options which are available either on happening of exit event or on not happening of the exit event. If you just change the slide, sir. Yeah, so this is just a overview. We have worked out if you are putting in 10 lakhs into the company as a CCD and for a period of 5 years, then there is a arrangement here is we are paying a quarterly interest out. So overall, it is a 15% annual return of interest. So which will be paid quarterly to you. So this is the workings, like you will be getting this type of quarterly return over a period of 5 years till the time you stay invested in this, because the term of the instrument is CCD. Like a normal fixed deposit here, there is a TDS deduction. If your total TDS does not exceed 5,000, then there may not be a TDS deduction. But if your total tax deduction shows TDS exceeds rupees 5,000, then the company will deduct the standard TDS and remit the balance of this 37,500 on a quarterly basis. So here, the advantage of the instrument is you get a return plus there is a value addition which happens before the that period. Like it can even happen before 5 years or even after 5 years. Like you're guaranteed that you will get your money back at a through equity shares. It may even come at a higher value also. It depends on the growth of the company, but it is assured that you will be getting the 15% annual return for the period of 5 years. So this is not a debt instrument, it is like a equity instrument, which will be converted into equity after the period of 5 years. Yeah. So the whole, just to sum it up, it is that we are doing a issue of compulsorily convertible debentures. Okay, CCD is the type of instrument which the company is proposing to issue you. The term CCD means like after the tenure, which agreed as 5 years here, that CCD will be converted into equity, and either it can happen as a part of IPO or as a part of acquisition, or the company can buy back the shares from you at that point in time when that conversion happens. If nothing happens, the promoter will transfer it to him and the equivalent money. So this is the type of instrument what we are issuing for this purpose. Like the complete financial about the company is intimated, complete details of the type of instrument, what is the percentage of dilution which will happen on the company after issuing of instrument. All the details are informed to the regulator as well as it is informed to the prospective investor, right? So once the all these things are set, then accordingly you can put in the money. ஓகே ஸோ ப்ராடாக இந்த ஆஸ்பெக்ட்ஸ் தான் நமக்கு இப்போ நீங்கள் பார்க்க வேண்டியது வந்து அந்த ஷேர் அப்ளிகேஷன் ஃபார்ம் உங்கள் கையில் வரும்போது நீங்கள் ஃபினான்ஷியல்ஸ் ஒரு தடவை நல்லா ஸ்டடி பண்ணிக்கோங்க. நீங்கள் போடுற வேல்யூக்கு 15% இருக்கும். அதே மாதிரி நீங்கள் பேங்க்ல போடுற மாதிரி
sorry for interruption. There are people from outside our state also. You can continue to speak in English only, sir, please. There are few people are outside.
Okay. Sure. Yeah. So what I was just trying to brief you here is there are bank account. Similarly, here also you'll be getting a proper offer letter document which will have the complete financial of the company. Which after reading that you can actually fill in the subscription form. And in that subscription form, you will also get an option to nominate someone. Nomination details can also be given. It's like a proper channel of investment, how it happens for any instrument, the same way the thing is happening. And like the additional advantage, see, practically most of these instruments you will find a negligible rate of return. But considering the company's progress, as discussed with your managing director, it is informed that the company can actually pay you a return of investment during the tenure also, and like thereafter at a valuation at the end of the tenure also. So considering that, we have formulated this instrument as a 15% compulsorily convertible debentures. So overall, this is the thing. So if anybody has any kind of doubts or clarification, you can just let me know.
Yeah, Mr. Vijay sir, thank you so much. Like Vijay sir told in company secretary, regarding investment part, if anything is there, you can always. I will request Vijay sir to be in the line for another 5 minutes. Our slide next to 2-3 slides are there. When that is over, we will request Vijay sir about the investment part. He will clarify. And technical part about the company and organization, you can ask me about the products, company, organization, everything. These are the few people they already promised to invest. Next slide, please. So, as CSR told, it's a first come, first serve basis. There are only 190 members are left out now. Minimum in lower limit is 3 lakhs. There's no cap in the upper limit. Next slide, please. Who can participate is our prospective participants, our staffs, clients, vendors, service providers, family and relatives, friends and society, other stakeholders, and you can refer your friends also. As CSR told already, we cannot go for public kind of social media kind of thing. We can refer only the internal people, known people only. Next slide, please. And furthermore, friends, please look at the promises what we are making. Apart from our 15% return on investment what we are giving, we can offer you the dealership. Our dealership is a very unique products. We have unique products, as I explained to you, where we offer 35% discount. Alternate to dealership, you can play a role as a sales consultant. Where in the role where you cannot able to invest money, you can play the role of sales consultant. Where you will be taking the orders on company name. You will be getting overriding commission. That is legal money, not commission. Legal money will be getting 15%. And referral business advisor means some big people, some who don't have time to spend business for us, we will take care of everything. Only if they refer us, we'll give 5%. All our legal money, we direct TDS, then only we make the money. Next one, please. So now we are aiming for 3 crores to 60 crores. So due to our good potential in exports, we keep on getting export order. And government has opened government e-marketing place. It has thrown us a lot of opportunity to get into many key clients like Indian Army, Navy, all these areas. And we have got registered with CADC, I told you, Construction Industry Development Council, That has opened up opportunity for us to get into 100 smart cities. And you know, CDC falls under Niti Aayog. Very formally, it is called Planning Commission. Comes under Government of India directly. It's one of the very proud moment for the company that we have associated with CATC. And retail sector, we are going to retail sector. That again opens up a lot of opportunity for us. And dealers and contractors, it is keep on increasing. So with all these opportunities, we are very sure we'll be touching 60 crores this year. Next slide, please. And the CATC role I was telling you, almost 56 lakhs 90,554 crores of projects is going on. Can you imagine 56 crores 90,554 crores worth of business is going on in India today, and CATC is the only monitoring agency to watch all this. In CATC, we are the one of the proud affiliate member. So you can imagine the potential what we can reap about. Finally, these are future plans. We'll be definitely achieving 1,000 crores of 2015. So then we'll immediately go for IPO. When we go for IPO, definitely our shares will be converted. As CSR told, it will be convertible, compulsory convertible debentures. It will be converted into shares. It can be converted. There's a possibility that the share value will be increasing. And overseas projects, we are going right away in this finance year for Belarus, Malaysia, and Canada. And all the concepts we are implementing globally only. And we have had so many international approvals too, product approvals. And you can get in touch with, we are going to share this slide with you. You can get in touch with our company auditor, company secretary, Mr. ANS Vijay, the bankers, all of the details are given to you. You can get in touch with everyone. The case is going to be shared. So now we are going to unmute all of you. We have some 5-10 minutes. You can open any questions, you can ask questions. And in the investment part, as I told you, CSR will be answering. About any company and organization growth, anything I will answer. You can even put in the chat box also. Can you send the message in the chat box, please, Prabhu? Yes, Mr. Yogendra Singh, Mr. Ramesh Naidu, how are you? Any questions from your side? Sir Ramesh Naidu, any questions?
Thank you. I'll just watch this and I'll come back to you, sir. I'll discuss with my friends and come back to you.
Please, please. Thank you. Thank you for the time. Yeah, I thank every one of you to spend your valuable time. During the weekend holiday, to spend the time. I really thank you very much.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah, thank you so much. Mr. Yogendra Singh, sir, any questions from your side? Mr. Arshad Razak, Mr. Ansar Razak, ABD Green Traders. No questions? If there is no further questions, I think I'll once again thank you so much for spending the time in the weekend. And we'll catch up in the next session too. Any questions you can always put forward to our company. And any of the link I have given to you because we are going to share the presentation with you. Thank you so much. Thank you once again. Have a happy weekend. Thank you.